All right, smoke test time. I put on our plenum here. I hooked our ultimate AOS up here. The other end of it comes over here and connects here. There's a plug that the AOS has, the ultimate AOS. This part actually just gets plugged up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to inject my smoke into here, and I'm just gonna cover up this big opening here with a rubber glove, so to seal that side off. All right, glove makes a nice tight fit on here, so let's pump some smoke in. All right, I capped this guy off. I have this cone going into here and smoke coming into here. So let's take a look and see where any smoke may be coming from. All right, doing my smoke test. It is coming in from over there. And the only place I see any smoke at all is like right around here, around this ultimate AOS joint. So I think it's coming from this joint where it's kind of oily up here on top. And yeah, I'm seeing a tiny bit come from this joint down here as well. All right, so update, I told Skip with Ultimate AOS about the leak, and he was cool enough to ship me out some new parts. He's actually redesigned it a little bit for the Cayman since mine. I think mine was the very first Cayman that had the Ultimate AOS, so it's got some improvements. I just got them in today, so I'm going to be installing them, and of course, make sure that this does not leak anywhere. If it does, now's your chance, easy way to see it. Fix it before it's back in the car. So hope the video was helpful. Find any leaks with a smoke test. This is how you do it. Give the video a thumbs up. See you guys on the next one.
Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you found value in the information shared, please take a moment to give it a like and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback not only encourages us, but also helps others discover content that can make a difference. Remember, every like and comment counts in building a community where we can all learn and grow together. Looking forward to seeing you soon.